Hey guys, Britt Treese here from WB Treese Consultants and WBTC3.com. I'm thinking today about why we write clear proposals that lead to clear reports. My staff and I today spent about 30 minutes just working on a portfolio proposal. And somewhere in the middle, I thought, why do we even bother with this? And the reason is that writing is supposed to be clear to the reader. Writing that's clear to the writer doesn't really mean anything. That's journaling, that's your diary, that's maybe a poem. But when you want to publish something, when you want to send something to someone else, when you want to communicate clearly to someone else, it's your job as the writer to write clearly. That's why we take pains to make sure our reports are clear, because we want our clients to understand what we tell them about the properties that they own and that they're purchasing. Check out more on WBTC3.com. Thanks again.